Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the realm of making money online. With the rise of digital entrepreneurship, there are countless opportunities out there, but it's crucial to separate fact from fiction. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 proven ideas to make money online. Let's jump right into it. Number 1, freelancing. Starting off with a classic, freelancing has been a go-to for many aspiring online entrepreneurs. Whether it's writing graphic design, programming, or digital marketing, there's a demand for various skills online. So there is a different freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, etc. Number 2, e-commerce and dropshipping. Setting up your online store and utilizing dropshipping has become a lucrative option for many. It's a model where you sell products without holding inventory, making it relatively low risk. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's a win-win for both the seller and the marketer. Number 4, content creation and monetization. In today's digital age, content is king. Whether it's blogging, vlogging, podcasting, or creating courses, there are numerous ways to monetize your content. Different content creators across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, blogging sites, etc. There is a various monetization strategies such as ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Number 5, online coaching and consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field, why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? Online coaching and consulting have seen a significant surge in demand, especially in areas like fitness, finance, and personal development. And there you have it, folks. These are the top 5 proven ideas to make money online. But remember, while these opportunities are indeed viable, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, hard work, and continuous learning. So pick a path that aligns with your skills and interests and stay committed to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.